Hello and welcome. This video is actually key concepts about our level 2 project multi-environment CI CD pipeline. You have to understand whole concept of this particular project. Yes, this is theoretical video, but I want you to understand the whole concept first, because if you are going to implement project directly, you don't know what is going to happen next. But if you understand the key concept about project, then it will be very easy for you to understand the implementation step as well. So let's start with the key concept. Here we have only 5 points that we need to understand. First, in this project there are two key roles, the owner and the developer. Okay, so we have to have two separate GitLab account. One we call him an owner and the another one we call him a developer. The work is organized around two branches. Here we are going to create two branches as well. Main branch, it is like final polished version of the project, and the another branch we have is feature branch, is where the new idea or fixes are tested out. What are the responsibility of developer? The developer focus on making changes or adding new things. This happens in the feature branch. As soon as developer pushes the changes, the CI CD pipeline automatically kicks into the validate and test the code. This step ensures that the new code doesn't break anything and meet the project's quality standard, and the developer then requests to merge their changes from feature branch to the main branch through the merge request. I hope you are getting the whole idea, right? We have two users, one owner and one developer. We have two branches, main branch in which we have polished version of our project, and feature branch in which developer will add new feature. When developer will add new feature into the feature branch, then the CI CD pipeline will test the entire project and it will verify that okay, everything is there according to the standard of the company. If test is successful, then developer will manually send merge request, and then there is an approval for the merge request as well. Now who will approve this? The owner review the merge request to ensure that changes are appropriate, effective and aligned with the project goals. Now once owner will approve this, then there will be another CI CD pipeline. This pipeline is for the testing in a staging area. So upon approval, the changes are merged into the main branch, which trigger the deployment to the staging environment via CI CD pipeline. So again, there is another CI CD pipeline. Here we have two pipelines, right? One we have in the feature branch. Here in this particular pipeline, it is going to test code for the review. Then there is approval. Once the approval will be done by the owner, we are going to create another pipeline which is going to copy code from our GitLab repo to the staging web server. This environment is closed replica of production setup where everything is tested thoroughly. And then another step is the production.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.